All right, Nick Wendt from ProTech in Southern California here at IMTS, looking at the new Smec machines that they debuted. The linear guide lathes seem like they'll be a good entry into the market, into a segment we weren't competitive in the past. So excited to see the machines and excited for the show.
Good morning. My name is John from 520 Machinery Sales, and excited about the IMTS show with the new product that Smec is offering, which is giving us the ability to serve our customers in the most efficient way for them for their applications. The linear guide series, I think, will be a great complement to the boxway series, particular applications that will be beneficial for that type of machine. We're excited to be able to offer to our customers now through the Smec product line, along with the additions of the vertical machining center, the improvements with the 4600 and the 5700 MCV series. Also excited about the 5-axis machine that is being introduced here today at IMTS. Looking forward to seeing the SL1000G grinding machine. That's also a new machine for the North American market.
Okay, my name is Apollo Rodriguez from Mexico, from the company Dynamac, that we are the distributor for Smec. My first impression with the new brand and the new brand models that we have over here is a lot of opportunities with the LM guide that we have, with the sub-spindle, live tools, Y-axis, and for sure the new 5-axis machine that we have. Many people is asking about it, and they have a good impression with the brand, and we are more strongest than ever.
Hi, my name is Steve Preston. I'm with JBM Technologies here at IMTS 2022. We're looking at the Smec NS2000 Reveal, and this new machine is a very small footprint with a lot of stroke for its size at nearly 10 inches to 12 inches in the Z, and a 6 or 8 inch chuck. We're very pleased to offer that at a very value-added price point, along with the Renishaw tool setter and the parts catcher. This should be a great product for the U.S. market and entry level for companies getting into CNC turning. We're also pleased here today to see a new 4+1 5-axis machine. And it appears to be a very good machine with the FANUC OITF Plus, and we're very happy to have it on board with the product line. The machine seems to feature some good things, such as the small footprint once again, and the ability to access multiple sides of the workpiece. We look forward to more of what this product can do in this market. Thank you for your time.